The exhausted live as fluidly as the water. Our planet neither gains nor relinquishes the water it harbors, but only witnesses its continual reorganization, redistribution, and relocation. Rivers and cancers are seen as dead or alive, depending on causes and conditions. Just as rivers in the desert create an abrupt shift